song today. The popular show where Daddy comes out and sings a sad song. Bob the tomato, unable to sneeze, visits the sneeze doctor. Please, can someone help me? I need to sneeze. Wait for the sneeze doctor. Just take a seat. He'll be there with you. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. Don't hold it in. Just be sure that you cover your mouth with a tissue. I will assist you. Sneeze all your troubles away. At up to 150 miles an hour. Interesting fact. The average sneeze travels at a rate of 100 miles an hour. In 2003, Dirk Everett of Grunholt, Germany, clocked in at 150. Way to go, Dirk. Dunker. I for remedy for accident like overeat. I buy it from the merchant in Spain. For ultimate sweet satisfaction, allergic reaction. Take a deep breath. If it helps, you can swim down the sun. Well, here's some pepper. Yes. Let me know. You'll be Interesting fact. The opposite sneeze reflex, or sneezing when exposed to bright light, is a genetic trait found in 25% of the population, including Turks. Gesundheit. Gesundheit. Which, interestingly, means good health in German. Ja. Please relax,